Hi, I'm Jack from K&B Audio, and today we're going to be unboxing the Stage 260 CDT in-ceiling speakers from JBL. Upon opening the box, the first thing you'll see is the product manual and setup guide. The speaker ceiling cutout template. Then next we have the ceiling speaker itself. The speaker is packaged in a clear bag. The grill is magnetically attached but comes in its own bag, so we'll fit that later. Now here is the ceiling speaker. So we've got the main driver at the back and the two tweeters at the front. These tweeters are non-adjustable, but they are angled towards the left and the right. On the back of the speaker, the main thing you need to see here is the speaker terminal connectors. You've got a plus and a minus for your left, and a plus and a minus for your right. These are very easy to use. You simply push down, put your 2-core speaker cable inside, and then release to hold it in place. Now to attach the grill, take it out of its clear bag. Hold the grill over the speaker and it's in place.